Hey, YouTuber scrappers. This is a console of some sort. I think it used to be for a gas station where they would have pump 1 to 16 and then you could do different things to it. But anyway, we're going to take this apart. I've already taken the screws out of some of it, and so this is just tin. And there's some boards in here that's got some really nice chips. So everyday solars. These are nice big chips, if you can see them. Yeah. I don't usually take it any farther than that. I don't take the chips off the board. Starting to get a little bit more seasonable temperatures now. It's Monday, October the 20th, I think. And I think it got to a high of 15, 16 degrees. A little bit of rain throughout the day. The board is just one-sided. And all those big fat chips. I just will sell this as hopefully I don't know, I may just get low-grade board price. I don't know if this one will come off. Yeah, this will come off. I don't know if you guys can see this. Yeah. Nice big chip. Anyway, I'll put that with my good stuff. Oh, I just got a TV tonight too, a flat screen 50-inch. It's pretty cool. Guess it has a battery. Just throw the battery in there for now. And my wire. Some more boards. More nice chips. I don't have anything around here to depopulate these boards and to get the chips and stuff off, so I just sell them like this. They may go have a server board where they've got a lot of chips on it. Aluminum. Another chippy board. This last board, I'm not sure if it has anything on the back side, but we'll find out here momentarily. Oh, it's got some boards. So see what that will go for. I know some people don't keep the little pieces of wire, but I do it all. Now, I think you can peel this up, this front face. I think this would help. Not sure. Maybe silver. That is hard to come off. Not sure about that. The rest of this is just tin shred. These keys I'm not going to keep. I'm just going to put this in our shred. So there. That was a little quickie on taking that apart. So I'm actually starting to get headway on being able to walk through my garage. So, somewhat. Look, I got space. Oh. Some things people gave me I gotta take apart. Gonna get my snowblower going. There's a rad that's got brass and copper. It's out of a 67 Chevy 2, I think. Anyway, there's another copper winding motor. Get done. There's some other motors here to take apart. Lots of wire down in there. A barrel filled with power supplies and stuff that I gotta do. These came out of TVs. I gotta get this broken down. And my laptops. I got 3 here. 1, 2, 3 there. 6, 2 more over there. I got 8. But yeah. Always lots to do. There's another ceiling fan. Love doing ceiling fans. Lots of nice copper bits in these. So, but anyway, that's a Monday night short scrapping session. Just thought you'd like to see what that console had in it for boards. So yeah, again, 3 different boards. There's this one. These 2. Another one like it, and then this board. They all just got one-sided. But yeah. If you like what you saw, like, subscribe, share, comment down below, and I'll try to keep making videos, and maybe I'll get better at them as we go along. Power supply I gotta take apart. Just different things. Look at this. I got the copper winding motors here. Got a lot of them. Oh yeah, DVD player. Looks almost brand new. Found this in the trash, so I think I'm gonna get one of my kids to test it out and see how it goes. HP. I think there's a remote down in there somewhere for this. I'll try to find. But anyway, alright, I'm going to get off here and call it good enough. Okay, thanks for watching.